Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the video and subtitle together so timings are visible. This matters because wrong frame rate breaks sync. Once the editor loads, set project FPS to match the video and confirm encoding is UTF-8 to avoid garbled characters. Make your first change. Play a short scene and adjust one subtitle's start or end by dragging the edge. That demonstrates how timing responds. This immediate action gets you into an editing rhythm and shows why correct FPS and encoding are essential. Now you focus on precise timing and readability. Use the audio waveform to align subtitles start with speech onset and end after the phrase finishes. This prevents cutoffs. Once done, apply ripple edits for sequences of contiguous lines so later timings stay accurate. Make sure each subtitle adheres to reading speed limits and two-line maximums. This improves comprehension. If lines overlap, nudge end times earlier or split long lines. These steps reduce viewer strain and keep pace with dialogue. To finish, export the subtitle file in the format your player or platform requires and preserve UTF-8 encoding. Mismatched encoding causes visible errors. Then test the file by loading it in the final player or remuxing into the video container to confirm sync across different software. If timing is off across the whole file, apply a global shift in milliseconds rather than fixing lines one by one. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, re-verify the video's FPS and frame rate metadata. Mismatches are the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.